how wraps actually work. Hey guys, my name is Avel from Avel Custom Wraps. Welcome to another episode of the Wrap Lounge. And today we're going to be covering how wraps actually work. And the general idea, it's relatively easy. It's a film that it has adhesive and this bonds to the vehicle surface that you're wrapping. How does that work? So technically we separate each panel for each vehicle. So if you wrap in the door, we create a door section for the car that you're wrapping or any vehicle that you're wrapping. This adhesive will bond to the surface and then we go around edges and corners for durability. And that's the main concept of how wrap actually works. So that's it for today's Wrap Lounge episode. So if you want to learn more about wraps, make sure to check us out on our next episode.